Hello to everybody. Now we have to discuss about homomorphism of groups. Recapitulation. Definition of group. 1 and R2 function. Identity map. Learning objectives. State and instantiate the definitions of the following terms: homomorphism of groups, epimorphism, monomorphism, homomorphic image, kernel of a homomorphism, image of a homomorphism, and determine whether a function between two groups is a homomorphism. Session outcomes: prove properties of homomorphisms and understand the connection to normal subgroups. Determine automorphism groups. Prove the isomorphism theorems and use them to prove groups are isomorphic. Prerequisites: definition of group, 1 function, onto function, and identity map. Introduction to homomorphism. In this section, we will investigate certain types of mappings from one group into another. These mappings are important both as means of describing essential properties of groups and as tools for proving theorems about groups. In many other areas of mathematics where groups appear, these mappings play a central role. This is particularly true algebraic topology. Two products are involved in the definition, and the notation used makes clear that one of these products is formed within each group. Definition of homomorphism: let G dot and G dash star be two groups. Then a mapping F from G to G dash is said to be homomorphism of the group G into G dash if F of A composition B is equal to F of A star F of B for all A comma B belongs to G. Examples: let G composition comma G dash star be any two groups F from G to G dash given by F of X is equal to E dash for all A belongs to G, where E dash is the identity of G dash is a homomorphism. Solution: since F of A is equal to E dash, F of B is equal to E dash, so F composition B is equal to E dash. We have F of AB is equal to F of A star F of B. This implies E dash is equal to E dash star E dash, or E dash is equal to E dash. Second example: let G plus be group of integer G dash is equal to 2 raised to n such that n belongs to Z is a group with respect to multiplication. Solution: F from G to G dash defined by F of n is equal to 2 raised to n for all n belongs to Z. Consider n1, n2 belongs to G. Since operation G is addition, n1 plus n2 is also belongs to G. So F of n1 plus n2 is equal to 2 raised to n1 plus n2. That can be written as 2 raised to n into n1 into 2 raised to n2. That is equal to F of n1 into F of n2. Therefore, F is homomorphism. And the third one is, let G be a group, the identity map I such that G belongs G implies G to G defined by I of G is equal to G for all G belongs to G is a homomorphism, because so I of AB is equal to AB, that is equal to I of A into I of B. Isomorphism of groups. Definition: a homomorphism F from G to G dash is said to be an isomorphism if F is 1 and onto. Then the two groups G and G dash are said to be isomorphic, and we write G is equivalent to G dash. Examples: f from I plus 2 to I plus defined by f of x is equal to 2x for all n belongs to I is an isomorphism. Let G be group. The identity map I from G to G given by I of x is equal to x is an isomorphism. Summary of homomorphism. Definition of homomorphism. Examples on homomorphism. Definition of isomorphism. Examples on isomorphism. Multiple choice questions. How many homomorphisms are possible from z by 4z to z by 6z? Answer is 2. Second question. How many homomorphisms are there from z by 20z on to z by 8z? Answer is D, 0. Third one. If pi is a homomorphism from z by 30z onto a group of order phi, determine the kernel of phi. Answer is D, phi z. Fourth one. How many groups are there of order 12 up to isomorphism? Answer is D, 5. Fifth one. Multiplicative groups of real numbers and complex numbers are not isomorphic. Answer is true, A. These are the reference books for this session. Thank you.